Constantly in you, every moment, thoughts are happening. It is life. Understand? Thoughtless space is your inner wealth, thoughts are your outer world wealth. So both are your abundance. Don't abandon thinking. I am giving you the new clarity. Resting in no mind state, that does not mean you will hate thinking. I wanted all of you to know, don't think I don't have thinking. I am beyond thinking, and thinking is also happening in me like a blood circulation. Are you worried about the blood circulation happening in your body? No. Then why should you be worried thinking happening in your system? How the blood circulation happening in you is not disturbing you, same way thinking happening in me is not disturbing me. This is one of the important sacred secret. It was always misunderstood the enlightened person will not have thinking. No. I am telling you very clearly, I have at least 42 times more number of independent thinking files happening than any one of you. For example, if you can remember about particular department work and follow it up, think further about it, update that file and maintain it. I can maintain 42 files, 2 cycle, than any normal man. I can say most intelligent normal man. Only thing, like a blood circulation is not disturbing you, my thinking circulation is not disturbing me, that's all. People who live around me are shocked by my memory power or the remembrance or the maintenance of the old files. I am telling you, in 42, independent logics are functioning in my system. I am not disturbed by that thinking, that's all. So thinking is abundance, don't hate it.
Putting all my trust in you, 'cause you know it's best for me to lead a blissful life, a life with no more strife. I can't believe the things I do, just to spend a little time with you. Nothing will compare, I know you will take care.
You're always showing us compassion. Your love is endless like an ocean. Nityananda, Nityananda. My life's become a meditation. Ever since we had a deep connection.